Hello guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa another cover song ni Morissette Amon. Sobrang excited ako guys na mapakinggan to kaya i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright. So, wait lang guys. So, ito na.
I'm floating in the air when you stare. Do you even have a clue what you do? Me and you just breaking all the rules.
Guys, wala pa tong background music ah.
And you know that I get
Grabe na yung boses eh. Very powerful.
so many questions about love. I don't know what it's true.
Ang galing, no?
I don't expect you to have the answers. Maybe we'll find them together. All I really wanna know is will you stay?
Ang galing, no? Oh. Uy, grabe. Galing niya.
Will you stay? Will you stay?
Uy, grabe. Ang galing. Wow. Grabe naman yun, Mori.
When we're sitting here alone, our insecurities exposed.
Grabe yan, nakaupo pa yan ha. Grabe ka na, Mori.
Just stay.
Wow naman. Sobrang galing. Di ba napakagaling talaga ni Morissette, no? Ang sarap pakinggan ng boses niya. Ang sarap suportahan talaga ni Morissette Amon, no? Nakaka-proud na meron tayong napakagaling na singer na katulad niya. Alright, kung gusto niyo to guys, bigyan niyo to ng malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel.